The main version of high power is the result of the integration of optimization technologies, OPTEX, Optimization Expert System, IBM CPLEX Optimization Studio, and General Algebraic Modeling System, GAMS. MODPLAN, PERSEO is a high-power version that includes two official models used in Peru. MODPLAN, official model used by COES-SINAC, the Interconnected System Operator, ISO, to carry out the expansion plan of the Peruvian Interconnected System, SEIN, and PERSEO, official model used by the Peruvian regulator, SEIN, for the study of SEIN rates. Either model can simulate SEIN dispatch, as make the SDDP and PLEXOS models. The original version of MODPLAN was made by HI. High power is supported by GAMS and IBM, as HI's business partners. The first version of high power, called SHTG, Hydrothermal and Gas Dispatch System, was awarded the Colombian Engineering Award by the Colombian College of Engineers, SEIN, in 1998. SHTG was developed for a global oil company, to jointly analyze the electricity and gas markets. The oil company kindly authorized HI, then Decision Where, to submit the work, withholding the name and maintaining all confidentiality of the data and results. SHTG was implemented using OPTEX, the Optimization Expert System. The first version of high power, called SHTG, Hydrothermal and Gas Dispatch System, was awarded the Colombian Engineering Award by the Colombian College of Engineers, SEIN, in 1998. SHTG was developed for a global oil company, to jointly analyze the electricity and gas markets. The oil company kindly authorized HI, then Decision Where, to submit the work, withholding the name and maintaining all confidentiality of the data and results. SHTG was implemented using OPTEX, the Optimization Expert System. HI is a knowledge factory dedicated to developing its computer platform based on artificial intelligence, using a unique vision at a global level. HI stores all its models using OPTEX, an expert optimization system, for the development of multi-problem mathematical models, and using the principles of generative artificial intelligence to produce the algorithms and all the software used by HI solutions, without programmers. HI is headed by its founder and chief scientific officer, Dr. Jesus Velázquez Bermúdez. We are proud to accumulate more than 50 years of experience in computer programming, artificial intelligence, mathematical programming, and operations management. HI is a spin-off of a Colombian company, which operates as a knowledge factory in advanced mathematical modeling. Our intellectual property is born from practice. We have a comprehensive view of mathematical modeling in Industry 4.0, focusing on artificial business management, autonomous AI that guarantees objective decisions, artificial brains, integrates organizational decisions based on neuroscience, enterprise-wide optimization systems, EWOS, customized AI that integrates multi-problem model systems, and high-complexity mathematical models, traditional models that are part of our artificial brains. HI is interested in establishing business agreements with organizations committed to highly complex mathematical modeling, such as commercial partners and end users. Jesus has been awarded by the Industrial Engineering and Operation Management Society, IEM, for his research work on artificial intelligence applications in businesses, industries and services. The lecture presented to receive the award was The New Artificial Intelligence, Decision-Making Artificial Intelligence Framework. High Power. Optimization of Agents' Decisions. The core of high power is the electricity and natural gas dispatch model. Complementary optimization models have been built around this model, the main ones being economic dispatch, regulated economic dispatch, competitive dispatch, Nash-Carnot model, unit commitment, financial modeling, ETRM, energy trading and risk management, robust supply chain design, and maintenance optimization. All models that integrate high/power have been developed using the OPTEX GAMS interface. The integration of the models is carried out automatically by OPTEX, and the generated programs coordinate their communication through the database, using monolithic models, or in RAM memory using large-scale parallel optimization. All high/power models can run in deterministic, or stochastic, version with user-definable uncertainty dimensions. Models can be solved using large-scale technologies, such as variations of Bender's theory, or Lagrangian relaxation, using parallel optimization to simultaneously solve all the problems in which the monolithic model is atomized. Finally, it is possible to introduce new models into high power as required. Traditionally, the optimization models in the electricity sector have been individual modeling with exogenous coordination between models, based on multi-stage stochastic programming, fixed uncertainty dimensions predefined in the model, almost always the demand, and using large-scale optimization methodologies. The differences provided by high power are integrated holistic modeling, scientific risk modeling, multidimensional uncertainty, parallel optimization, and autonomous real-time distributed optimization. The high-end core model corresponds to the integrated representation of electricity and gas supply chains. From the basic equations, variations of the model are generated, according to the techno-economic concepts that support a specific use case. The EANG equations represent the physical dispatch of an electricity-gas system, regardless of the market in which the system is located. The main variations of the dispatch model are related to the representation of the market where the EANG system operates. The process simulates an integrated system in which the two markets, gas and electricity, are balanced according to their operating hypotheses. With respect to consumers, models tend to assume an inelastic behavior of demand with respect to price. This hypothesis can be relaxed by modeling an objective function with variable demand, where the economy's social surplus is maximized. This is for any type of electricity and gas market. For the gas system, gas supply and transport contracts can be incorporated, since this type of commercial instrument is commonly used in the gas market, and affects its operation. The main models on the electricity market are the EED, Electricity Economic Dispatch, model optimizes the dispatch of generation infrastructure, minimizing the cost of operating the electricity system, which simulates a perfect electricity market. EED is the core model of high power, as its equations/constraints are used in multiple specific models that the agent requires to address decision support needs. From EDD, 3 models of complementary dispatch are built: Economic Perfect Dispatch, Economic Regulated Dispatch, Nash-Carnot Equilibrium Dispatch, and Unit Commitment. The first 3 models are oriented to planning and the fourth to real-time programming. In the same way, all models make up the artificial hypothalamus of the wholesale market of the electricity sector. High power is the result of 2 complementary technology alliances. Hypothalamus Artificial Intelligence, HAI, has entered into an alliance with IBM TD/SINAC in Clearwater, USA, to work as a partner. This alliance allows HAI to take on global projects in the global market for highly complex mathematical models. HAI is pleased to offer its traditional services, as well as those provided by the IBM TD/SINAC Alliance, including access to high-performance cloud servers, which will be accessible for HAI's research, and for its customers' proof-of-concept development processes. This is a new world that consolidating HAI as a company of global quality. Those interested in high power have access to the services offered by the Alliance, such as virtual sessions, or face-to-face sessions at the Alliance's headquarters, using the super servers offered by the Alliance. HAI has trained its employees to handle 2 technologies offered by IBM TD/SINAC, Decisions Optimization, using IBM CPLEX Optimization Studio, and WATSINX. There are multiple computer languages to implement mathematical models and link them with the solvers to be used. HAI's extensive experience in the management of GAMS, a high-level algebraic interface for the development of mathematical models, created in the mid-1980s, has generated this alliance, which facilitates HAI's development of the software using the OPTEX cognitive robot. HAI does not see technical reasons to use general-purpose interfaces, such as Python, C++, and others, to develop mathematical programming algorithms. GAMS has 40 years of experience that is hard to match. Those interested in more details can consult the white paper. Optimization of the electricity supply chain. In Spanish, optimización de la cadena de suministro de electricidad. High power dispatch, MODPLAN model, Transmission Expansion Planning Peruvian Transmission System. It is an example of high power produced with the technological components supplied by IBM and GAMS. It is a system developed in 2015 for the ISO of the Peruvian electricity system. Interested professionals can watch the video related to the computational implementation of high power. In another video, it is possible to understand the structure of the multi-problem models that make up high power. High power can be purchased under the modality that is most convenient for the customer. On-demand rental of software licenses. On-prem, provision of software, purchase or lease of software licenses. Hardware can be rented in the cloud or purchased to be installed in the customer's offices. Over the next 4 months, to promote the alliance, IBM, SEIN and GAMS have decided to grant a discount on products and services related to high power. Those interested in more details can consult the white paper. Implementación en el modelo PERSEO MODPLAN de ductos de gas natural, centrales y servicios complementarios. High power. Implementing complex multi-problem mathematical models for electricity systems is a challenge that only the best can tackle. At least 2 competitors must be compared. The PLEXOS model is developed by Energy Exemplar, and offered as capable of producing the following services: co-optimization, nodal and zonal analysis, renewables and ancillary markets, hydro optimization, gas planning, and multi-objective decision optimization. PLEXOS is touted as the energy decision and analytics platform for all systems. Energy Exemplar is a full-service B2B SaaS software and platform company that helps companies revolutionize the future of energy, to create the optimal path forward through modeling and simulation. High invites you to get to know PLEXOS so that you can compare it with high power. Since 1987, the Brazilian company PSR is a global provider of consulting services, computational modeling and energy innovation, and actively contributes to research and development of optimization and data analytics solutions. PSR is comprised of more than 130 experts in engineering, economics, mathematics, high-performance computing, information technology, business development, and communications, delivering technical and innovative solutions designed together with their clients. PSR consulting and innovation models and services are applied in more than 70 countries in the Americas, Europe, Asia-Pacific and Africa, in a multitude of varied contexts, size of systems, maturity of economic development and of the energy industry. PSR is an important company in the sector. High Power is proud to be competitive with PSR's suite of models, but it is more modern as it is based on the development of software supported by artificial intelligence and mathematical programming. PSR Incorporated produces the models STDP, Optin, NCP, Time Series Lab, and Hera. PSR tools cover the full range of analytical questions around power systems. The tools can be used separately or in combination, but they cannot be integrated as a single multi-problem model. This is a limitation to obtain global optima. High invites you to get to know PSR's products, mainly its dispatch model, STDP, so that you can compare it with high power. Like Albert Einstein, hypothalamus artificial intelligence believes that the mind that opens up to a new idea never returns to its original size. Thank you for your attention.